Hello everyone, this is Umair Hassan. Today I am going to solve advanced level questions from exercise 3B of D1 7th edition. We will solve question number 8 and question number 9, and the topic is related to significant figures. So question number 8 is the number 2, 1, and we have a variable here x o means 09 is equal to 22,000. Correct to two significant figures. Yes, we have two significant figures in 22,000. So find the value of the variable x if this number, this one, is a perfect square. Now first of all, the thing to observe is that 21x09 is rounded off to 22,000, and we have two significant figures here. These two digits are significant, these zeros are not significant. If you are rounding off this number to 22,000, then this digit must be either 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9. This must be one of them, because if it is 21,509, then you will round it off to 22,000. The value, if it is 21,500, if the number is 21,500 or more than 21,500, then you will round it off to 22,000. So this digit must be one of them. Now from them you have to see that it should be a perfect square. So by using 5 over here, you will observe that this will not be a perfect square. By using 6 in place of x, it will become 21609, and by doing prime factorization, we observe that this number is a perfect square. This is 3 into 3, 3 square, 7 into 7, 7 square, and 7 into 7, 7 square. 3, 7 times 21, 3, 2 times 6, 0 will be as it is, 3, 3 times 9, 3, 2 times 6, 1 will be carried over here, 3, 4 times 12, 0 will be carried downward, 3, 1 times 3, 7, 3 times 21, it is 24, carry 3 to this 0, it will become 30, 7, 4 times 28, carry 2 to 1, it will become 21, 7, 3 times 21, 7, 4 times 28, it is 34, carry 6 to this 3, it will become 63, 7, 9 times 63, 7, 7 times 49, 7, 1 times 7. Now if you will take square root of 21609, you will write 3 square into 7 square into 7 square in place of 21609. Square and square root will be cancelled. It will be 3 into 7 into 7, that is 147. So basically 21609 is 147 square. 147 square. So the number here should be 6. 7, 8 and 9 will not give you perfect square. So condition is perfect square. Second one is question number 9. The number of people at a concert is stated as 21,200. 21,200. You have, okay, it is correct to three significant figures. Yes, 2, 1, 2 are significant, while these zeros are not significant because we don't have a decimal anywhere in the number. What is the largest and smallest possible values? This is an important question. Smallest value and what will be the largest value? Okay, now the smallest number should be the one which can be rounded off to this one. So the least value is 21150, because at this value you will round off your number to 21200. Any value less than 21150, say 21149, this is not going to round off to 21200. So the least value should be 21150, so that you can round it off to 21200. Any value more than 21150 will be rounded off to 21200, but the least one is 21150. This will be rounded off to this one. Any value less than this will not be rounded off to this one. What will be the largest value? The largest value, you have to observe this one, 21249, because if it will be 21250 or any value greater than 250, suppose 251, 252, now they are going to round off to the next value. So in order to keep your answer equal to 21200, your this number should be at least the maximum value allows you to be 21249, which can be rounded off to this one. Otherwise, if it is 21250 or any number greater than 21250, it will be rounded off to 21300 then. So this is not your answer. This is your answer. So the maximum value is 21249 and the minimum one is 21150. So this is solution of question number 8 and 9. So keep watching. Thank you so much.